Good day, everyone. Today, we'll be exploring a critical module titled Events of Uncertain or Unpredictable Root Cause. This module focuses on understanding various types of disasters, including both natural and man-made, and it emphasizes the importance of risk management and preparedness. By the end of this lesson, we aim to achieve three key objectives. First is to improve our understanding of disaster risk, which is crucial in helping us prepare and respond effectively. Second is to create greater awareness on how to better manage the impact of these unpredictable events, potentially reducing the harm they cause to individuals, communities, and resources. And the last one is to identify the types of disasters, including natural occurrence like earthquakes, floods, and hurricanes, as well as man-made incidents such as industrial accidents and mass violence. Now let's move on to the main lesson. We will dive deeper into understanding the nature of risk, disasters, and the importance of effective risk management. Risk management is critical in preparing for unexpected, especially events that could harm communities or the economy. Here are the strategies to manage risk. First is transferring the risk. One way to handle risk is to shift it to another party. For example, a homeowner in a flood-prone area might buy flood insurance, transferring the financial burden to an insurance company. Second is reducing the likelihood. This involves taking steps to prevent or reduce the impact of risk. For instance, constructing buildings to withstand earthquakes in areas that seismic activity is a preventive measure that lessens potential damage. The last one is accepting some level of risk. Sometimes, risk can't be fully avoided. For example, coastal residents may accept the risk of hurricanes but stay prepared with emergency supplies and evacuation plans. These strategies lay the groundwork for effective disaster management by allowing us to anticipate, respond, and recover from such events. There are two types of events in risk management. First is negative events or risks. Events that can cause harm such as earthquake or industrial accidents. Next is the positive events or opportunities. Situations that offer potential benefits like expanding a business to a new region, but with a calculated risk. Natural disaster. Natural disasters are large-scale events triggered by natural forces, causing significant loss of life or property. Key types include earthquakes. These occur when tectonic plates shift, causing sudden ground shaking. Earthquakes can lead to a secondary disaster like tsunamis, which are massive waves generated by underwater earthquakes. An example is the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami, which caused widespread destruction across several zones. Next, weather disaster. This includes hurricanes, tornadoes, and thunderstorms. Often happens during specific seasons. For example, hurricanes form over warm ocean waters and primarily affect coastal areas, as seen with Hurricane Katrina in the United States. And the last one is the flood and droughts. When floods result from heavy rains or storm surge, droughts are a prolonged period of little to no rain. Both have severe impacts on agriculture and human settlements. Man-made disaster. Man-made disaster are catastrophic event resulting from human or technological failure. They include industrial accidents. Examples include chemical spills and factory explosion. The 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy in India was a significant industrial accident causing thousands of deaths. Acts of terrorism. These are deliberate attacks causing harm to people and property. The events of September 11, 2001 are a tragic example, leading to loss of life and long-lasting security concerns. Incidents of mass trauma. Events like mass shooting create a sense of fear and insecurity within community, often requiring trauma, counseling, and long-term mental health support. Other incidents of mass trauma. This can include infectious disease outbreaks or significant community unrest. For instance, the Ebola outbreak in West Africa caused widespread fear, even affecting countries without reported cases. due to fear of contagion. Impact of disasters. Disasters, both natural and man-made, often lead to loss of life and property, psychological impact, and economic loss. Preparing for disaster can help reduce the impact and aid quicker recovery. Emergency plans. Governments often have evacuation plans for areas prone to natural disasters, such as flood-prone regions. Building regulation. In earthquake zones, buildings are constructed to withstand seismic activity, improving safety. Public awareness. Educating communities about disaster preparedness, such as having emergency supplies ready, helps people respond more effectively. Both natural and human-made disasters are significant events that impact lives, economies, and societies. Through proper risk management and preparedness, we can minimize these impacts and build more resilient communities.